Good morning, children. In the last video, we had started with the chapters fractions and decimals. Okay, so we recalled what are fractions, what are the types of fractions, how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, how to write equivalent fractions, then how to compare the two fractions and write them in ascending and descending order, and how to add and subtract the fractions when the denominators are same. Okay, so I hope you have understood all those things. So today we will continue with addition and subtraction of fractions when the denominators are different. Yes, when the denominators are different, then how to add and subtract the fractions we will see. Okay, so let us take few examples. The first one, 4 plus 7 upon 8. Okay, so you have to add 4 plus 7 upon 8. Okay, so 4 here is a whole number and 7 upon 8 is a fraction. Yes, so how will you add these two? Okay, so whenever you have a whole number, children, you can write this as upon 1. Yes, because both if they are in fraction, it is easy for us to add them. Okay, so whenever you have a whole number, write it as upon 1. So it is 4 upon 1 plus 7 upon 8. Okay, so 4 upon 1 is nothing but 4 itself. But both should become in the form of fraction, numerator and denominator, so I have written upon 1 here. Okay, so now see the denominator. Here is 1, here is 8. So both are different, 1 and 8 both are different. So that time when the denominators are different, you have to take the LCM. The first step you have to do is take the LCM of the denominators. Okay, so write LCM of 1 and 8 is equals to, what is the LCM of 1 and 8? So, you know how to find the LCM, 1, 8. Whatever the denominators are there, take the LCM of those. Okay. So, now 1 is 1 and 1 8 is 8. Okay. Now, again, to simplify this 8, you can directly write 8 ones are. Yes. So, 8 ones are is 8. So, till you get 1, you have to continue this. Okay. So, what are the factors now, children? Here it is 1 into 8. So, whatever you get the factors, you have to multiply those and get the LCM. So, 1 into 8 is 8. So, 8 is the LCM of 1 and 8. Now, that LCM you have to write it in the denominator. Whatever LCM you get, write it in the denominator. Okay. Now, next step. Next step what you have to do is, see the denominators of both the fractions. First fraction denominator is 1. So to this one, what if I multiply? I am going to get 8, children. 1 8 is 8. Okay. So write here into 8. Then next denominator is 8. To this 8, what if I multiply? I am going to get this denominator as 8. 8 1 is 8. Okay, children. So write here into 1. 8 1 are 8. So write into 1. Now multiply the numerators to this number. 4 into 8. 4 into 8 is 32. Plus sign. 7 into 1 is 7. Okay. This. Now next step. Add. 32 plus 7. 39. Divided by 8. Okay. So 39 upon 8 is which kind of fraction, children? It is an improper fraction. So whenever you have an improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. Yes. How to convert into mixed fraction? You have learned the numerator should be divided by the denominator 8. Now we know 8 4s are 32. Remainder is 7. Yes. So the quotient becomes the whole number. The remainder becomes the numerator and the divisor becomes the denominator. So 39 upon 8 can also be written as 4 integers 7 upon 8. So this is the sum of 4 plus 7 upon 8. Okay, children. Let's see one more example. Nine upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. Okay, this is the fraction you have to subtract. Okay, 9 upon 11, 4 upon 15. Now see the denominator, 1 is 11, 1 is 15. Both are different. So you have to take the LCM of the denominator. So write LCM of 11 and 15 is equals to, what is the LCM of 11 and 15? Okay children, so find the LCM of 11 and 15. So 15 first factor is 3. So you can start with 3. 11 it is not divisible by 3, so write 11 as it is. 3 5s are 15, so write 5. Next 5 is divisible by 5, so write 5 here. 11 is not divisible by 5, so write 11 as it is. 5 ones are 5, so write 1 here. Now next 11 factor is 11 itself. 11 ones are 11 and ones are. Okay, so you got 1. So these are the factors to be multiplied to get the LCM. So 3 into 5 into 11. Okay, 3 5s are 15. 15 into 11 gives you 165. Okay children. Now, so in the denominator we have to write the LCM, that is 165. Okay. Now multiply. See the denominator. First fraction denominator is 11. To 11, what if I multiply? I am going to get 165. Yes, that number you have to write it here. So 11 15s are. Yes, 11 15s are is 165. So write into 15 here. Okay. Then next is 15 denominator. So to 15, what if I multiply? I am going to get 165. I should multiply it by 11. 15, 11 size 165. So write into 11. Yes. Now multiply the numerator with these numbers. 9 into 15. 15 9 size 135. Minus sign, write minus sign as it is. 4 into 11, 44. Okay. Now subtract 135 minus 44. If you subtract 135 minus 44, you are going to get 91 upon 165. Okay children. So now 91 upon 165. 91 upon 165 is nothing but a proper fraction. So when you get a proper fraction, leave it as it is. Okay. If you get an improper fraction, convert it to mixed fraction. Okay, so this is the difference. 91 upon 165 is the difference of 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Okay, let's see one more example. Yes, mixed fraction. Whole number, proper fraction. Whole number, proper fraction. So they are mixed fractions. Yes. Now, when you have a mixed fraction, firstly you have to convert it into improper fraction, and then follow the same steps. Okay. So to convert into mixed improper fraction, you have to multiply the denominator to the whole number first. 2 into 3, 6. Add the numerator. 6 plus 1, 7. So it is 7 upon 2. Next, plus sign. Change this also to improper fraction. 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. So it is 19 upon 4. The denominators must be same. You have to multiply to the whole number, denominator and whole number, add the numerator to get it improper fraction. Okay? Yes. Now follow the same steps. Denominators are different. 1 is 2, 1 is 4. So take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 4 is equals to, what is the LCM of 2 and 4? You have to write. Okay. So 2, 4 LCM. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 2, 1 as it is you write, 2 ones are 2. Okay. So the factors are 2 into 2, that is 4. So 4 is the LCM of 2 and 4. Okay, so write in the denominator 4. Now see the denominator. First denominator is 19 into 1, 19. Okay. Now add 14 plus 19. 14 plus 19 gives us 33 upon 4. Okay. Now 33 upon 4 is an improper fraction. So convert into mixed fraction. Okay. So you can do it directly also. Nearest to 33 in 4 table is 4 8s are 32. So 8 becomes the whole number. 33 minus 32 is 1. So 1 becomes the numerator and denominator is 4. Okay, so this is 8 integer 1 by 4. Okay. Let's see one more example. So here you have 3 fractions. So you have to add all these 3 fractions. So you may have 2, 3, 4, 5, any number of fractions. The steps remains the same. Okay, take the LCM of the denominators. Okay, so write LCM of 10, 5 and 2 is equals to. Take the LCM of all these 3 denominators. So it is 10, 5, 2. Okay, so now factors. First factor is 2. 10 and 2 both are divisible by 2. So take 2. 2 5s are 10. 5 is not divisible, right as it is. 2 1s are 2. Okay, next factor will be 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 and 1. So you got 1. Now multiply the factors. 2 into 5. So 2 into 5 is nothing but 10. So 10 is the LCM of 10, 5 and 2. So write that in the denominator 10. Now see the fractions, denominators. 10, what if I multiply by I get 10, 10 ones are 10. So write 1 here. Next is 5. To 5, what if I multiply I get 10, 5 twos are 10. So write into 2. Next is 2. So to 2, what if I multiply I am going to get 10, 2 5s are 10. So write into 5. Okay. Now multiply the numerator. 7 into 1, 7 plus sign. 2 into 2, 4 plus sign. 3 into 5, 15. Okay, 15. Now add all this. So if you add all this, you are going to get 26 upon 10. Now 26 and 10 we can simplify further. 2 is a common factor. Yes. So 2 5s are 10. 2 13s are 26. So it is 13 upon 5. That's simplified. Now again it is an improper fraction. So convert into mixed fraction. So mixed fraction will be 5 2s are 10.